to open your Facebook and go to your profile. So once you are in a profile, you have to click on photos. Then you have to click on albums. In albums, you have to open that album you wanna share. Here you will find the album name, and here you will find the album share option. You have to click on it. You can share it to like yourself or like share it on your timeline or newsfeed. You can share it to Messenger or a group. You can also share in your page, and you can share it on our friend's profile, and there are many other share options in here under the more option settings. And here if you like copy the URL and send the URL to someone, then they will also be able to access this album. So these are the ways you can share an album on Facebook. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.